No. Okay, let's get started. I'm with my pal. I'm the green one. And then, dude. So I don't know why I can't move. Oh, there I am moving. I'm gonna take the slide down. Raven Gaming is here. He has a couch and water. I mean, this is. Sorry, my video didn't upload. I don't know why I didn't upload. By the way, I'm controlling that black gorilla. See, I have two computers, and then I can control both. See, I'm controlling that guy. Just in widescreen. Perfect. Let's come back.
Hey, brother.
Yeah. See, now my brother is going to take over this computer.
Wait, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. Okay, he doesn't sit down yet, so I'm just gonna jump him down. And you're going down here. And right here, and right here, and right here. Can we switch computers?
No.
But I'm better with this computer. Oh, yeah, I guess you can't switch computers because I'm recording. But I look purple. Oh, here's my brother. Ugh.
I can't believe it's
Hey,
dripping on his bed and his couch.
That's his couch. That's a water couch. So I'm going to
sit.
CC's. I'm going to CC's.
Sit.
Why did it teleport me here?
I'm sleeping here.
World map. I want to go to.
I'm gonna go to a birthday party.
Early.
Oh, it's the candy zone again.
Nice.
Why would somebody have a party?
Dude, this is an epic den. Dude.
What?
Why does he have so much stuffed
You can't even
animals?
sleep in there.
Why? Yes, you can.
Hey, brother,
But
look! Stuff for sale.
It's so.
Because they have some stuff for sale.
You can't get anything.
Dang it. Look at this pinky. Brother, this should be your girlfriend.
Who? No.
She's a wolf just like you.
I want to wear that. Why?
Aiza.
Why I can't wear my
Oh
hat?
my gosh, brother, my eyes.
Look at his. Oh yeah, I guess. Well, you can't. You viewers can't see him. Oh, you should keep the white eyes. He's like the devilish white eyes, if you know what Animal Jam.
I'm gonna be slender. Slenderman.
No, it's not Slenderman. You have to have a black bottom and white face.
The black bottom.
Never-
black bottom.
You never mind. Where are? Wow.
Brother, let's see if we can click on my pet.
I think the
Chicken as well.
best one is this. Oh no!
Wait, where'd you find that? Is that a best house? Best den?
It's right here. Oops.
Hey!
What? I'm just going to a regular store. Stop farting!
Oh my god! Okay!
Is there like a shop?
I'm going to my den.
There's nothing
Oh
in...
my gosh, brother! My buddy.
Dude, stop farting. I can smell it.
I'm about to fart again. I need to make my room. Ready.
So...
Where's my cakey chair?
I'm just trying to look
I'm gonna
for
put it on here. Oh, look, she's sitting on my cakey chair. Oh, she said, hey. I'm so sorry about this. I'm gonna go to her den. Let's see what her den looks like. Jeez.
Oh, you can swim. Good job.
How is this? Where is her den?
Is everything members except for the backpack? I'm gonna play some Best Dressed. Oh, there's a turtle shell. Is there like anything gold or anything that I could do or something? Ooh, should I buy the collar? Should I buy the collar? I don't know. Listen, you tell me in the next video if I should buy the collar. Should I or should I not? I'm sorry. And
Oh, I can't buy a wolf.